Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in day 8 of the Dephemerember, and our prompts for today is beads, and I've got lots of different beads from old jewelry, some I've just picked up, postage stamp, dangle. So I'm going to make a dangle out of this postage stamp. I like the color of this. And the animal that I chose today is a seahorse, and I'm going to use it on my dangle. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Luise's and Barbara's channels at Luise Heinzl and 49 Dragonflies. And be sure and check out the hashtag Dephemerember. It has been so much fun, and maybe today I'll remember to cut the camera on. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here it is. I really like how it turned out. I've got my beads, I've got my seahorse, and I've got my postage stamp dangle. And I just put it on some of the cardstock that I had left over from making my loaded tag yesterday. And I just did my beads, added some bulb pins in my seahorse, and that was all there is. Now all I have to do is add it to my journals. And I think, at least for right now, I'm just going to put it on the outside. Just hook it on my lace. Help me keep track on which is the front side, since I put my pocket on the wrong side and I had to move it. Yesterday just wasn't a good craft day for me. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Barbara and Luise's channels, and be sure and check out the hashtag Dephemerember. So until next time, bye y'all.